Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve Bluetooth pairing issues on your Garmin Forerunner 70. The first and easiest solution would be restarting both your watch and your smartphone. To restart your watch, you have to hold down the top left button and then select power off using the green one. Wait until your device goes off. Once it does, short press the top left key to restart it. And for your smartphone, you're gonna have to probably hold even the power button or the power button and volume up key and select restart. Then wait until both devices are restarted. After the restart, if you already have devices paired and you cannot reconnect them, try and pairing your devices completely. You can easily do that by swiping down the control center on your smartphone, holding your finger down on the Bluetooth dial, then tapping the gear icon next to your Forerunner and selecting forget. So let's forget this device. And now let's go to Garmin Connect menu. Now you shouldn't be able to see your Garmin Forerunner now, but if you do, you have to select it in the top right corner and disconnect it here as well. And now to repair your devices, you're gonna have to hold down the left key of your watch, middle left key. Scroll down to watch settings. Then here we're gonna have to scroll down to connectivity. Okay, I think I already missed it. Okay, so here we have the connectivity. Now select phone. Now select pair phone. And now on your smartphone, we probably won't even have to do anything. Okay, tap the plus icon in the top right corner and then connect your Forerunner, and then just go through the entire connection process. Now you're gonna receive a notification on your smartphone. Stop pair and connect. Confirm by tapping pair. Then wait until your devices are synced. Next. And just the rest doesn't really matter. So the rest is the setup. But if you weren't able to do so, then there are two things that you might want to do. Both are done on the smartphone. So go to settings on your smartphone, then go to battery on your smartphone, select oh no, okay, we will not find it this way. Select applications on your smartphone, in your smartphone settings, select Garmin Connect, then find app battery usage, and then make sure that the background usage is unrestricted for this application. And the last thing that you want to do is go to system on your smartphone, reset options, and reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Tap reset. However, this feature will also reset your Bluetooth connections, other Bluetooth connections, and Wi-Fi, but it will also clear the cache of both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and will let you repair to your watch normally. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.